Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Trending. I will show you how to unlock any disabled iPhone without computer, without iTunes, without deleted data and without bypass. So guys, if you unlock your iPhone, keep watching full video, follow the step by step. Click on the emergency and follow the command, don't miss any number. Please tap on the dial only 3 times. Hey guys, you can see appears on screen unlock disable iPhone without computer without deleted data. That's it. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.